God, nagpa-car wash kami, guys. This is so cool. Ayan. Huh?
It's raining.
The bubbles. Ay, mga bula.
Haven't you experienced in your life, mommy? The Philippines have 20 boys who clean that, right? Here, they were check.
So, ayan. Ang bongga ng car wash nila dito. Nasa loob kami. Enjoy? Enjoy, wah.
Oh,
Grabe, ang lakas ng tubig. Yeah, look at that. The pressure.
big brush.
Oh, wait. Yay!
Oh.
Wow, that's a brush.
Look, now.
What's this? Oo. Ganito mag-car wash dito, guys. Sa loob ka lang and then sa labas. Machine.
If you pay extra, they do it with a high pressure thing.
Daddy, he's wondering what's that. Oh, no. Oh, diba? Amazing. Look at that. Laparo-laparo ang magsukyanan. What happened, baby? And that's it. It's clean na. Yay. How much?
13 euros.
13?
700 pesos.
No, not bad. Yay. It's okay. That's it. Ano? Pag how much? 700? 700 ang car wash na diri. Ganito machine. Oh, the best is there. I want it. So,
Look here, the water, mommy. Look.
oo. Oh no, andito na. Papasok na kami.
Oh, look.
Oh.
They're waving already here.
Ang gara, ang bongga. Oh, yan. So, ganyan mag-car wash dito, guys. Machine lang siya. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, oh. That's cool. What? Oh, oh. O, diba? See? What in the koy? Huh?
Mommy, here, look. It's like a...
It's okay. What happened in the koy? Oh no! O, diba? Oh.
Look here, it's a countdown.
Ayan, may time. Patapos na. 1 and 0. Go na. That's it. Oh, linis. Oh my God, so very clean.
So, actually, there is a free vacuum here.
Uh-huh. Huh? We can do that, maybe?
You can do it now.
Tapos dito guys, pag magpagasolina ka, walang maglalagay ng gasolina sa'yo. Ikaw mismo ang gagawa nun. Tignan mo si Stefan. O diba? Yan, siya mismo ang gagawa niyan. O diba? Siya ang gagawa mismo guys, hindi yung iba. Wala ditong taga-gasolina sa'yo. Hindi kagaya sa atin na may naglalagay ng gasolina. Wala yung kagaya sa atin dyan na may gasolinador. Ang tawag doon? Gasoline boy. Dito sa kanila walang ganyan guys. Sa bonggang linis nga sa sasakyan namin. Binacuum ko kasi. Libre naman mag-vacuum doon. Libre mong gamit. Pero yung pag car wash, may bayad yun. 700 I think. Okay na din. Then machine lang nasa loob. Hindi mo na kailangan lumabas. Diba? Ang bongga dito guys. Grabe yung mukha ko. Walang nakalagay ng kahit ano. And enjoy. Oh, ang dalawang bata, iniwan namin sa bahay kasi naglalaro sila sa labas. Hindi na lang namin dinala. So kami lang umalis. Bili kami ng bread. Sarap talaga yung mga bread dito. So hapon na ngayon guys. After ng work ni Stefano, lumabas kami ng a little bit saglitan. Bibili ng gasolina. And then bread and chuchuchu whatever and wait na. So ayun na si paring Stepano. Charing.